Alright, welcome everybody to a Superstar SS-158EDX. This is the repair we did for Chris in Florida. Sent it to us where the AM audio would get all just go away basically after a few seconds of talking. And we found the cold short he had in the audio circuit, fixed it up for him. So it's just a repair report, make sure everything's doing good. He's got it set kind of low for driving an amplifier, I believe. 2-watt dead key. Alright, and he's got a Top Gun modulator in there. It's going to let him go for 2 watts all the way to 50. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and let's just give sideband a little. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Okay. Let's put her on here. Too much dip to deal with right there.